Hi, this is Abu Sufyan Malik, and this is my NodeJS authentication project. First, we will start with the Google sign in and sign up. I clicked on Google sign in and sign up. Here we have to select this account, and now it will get into the signed in. See, logged in successfully. We can hear from here, we can sign it properly. Now, if we click on sign up, we can sign up manually also by giving any name, Abu Sufyan Malik, and we can put as malik1@gmail.com. Password we can keep anything. We can sign up from here. Once we can sign up, we can sign in from here with our email ID that we have put, and we can enter the password. Here I have opened my profile, and this is my profile. From here we can change the password, and if we want to change the password, we have to enter the first old password, then we have to enter the new password. Now we can see password changes successfully. From here we can sign out. Now, if we want to see the invalid username and password, we can see from here. This is the email ID we have signed in. And if we enter any wrong password, it will show invalid username and password. Now, I have rendered this website using render.com. Here it is put live. And from here, this is my database. If you want to see the data, we can see from here. See, this is our database. Here we have signed in with the malik1@gmail.com. See, the password is encrypted, and I have write about Abu Sufyan Malik. And this is the Google login we have done, Malik Abu Sufyan 100@gmail.com, and all these things. Now we will go to the code. See, this is my code, and we will start from starting asset folder only. So this is my home CSS. You can see the CSS file, home CSS. This is profile CSS, and this is the sign up CSS. The sign up CSS has the same features which I required in the sign in, like the form and all those things. So I haven't made CSS for the form for sign in. So I have used this sign up CSS only for sign in also. So this is the asset folder where I have all my CSS. Now we will go with the config file. In config, I have created this middleware. This is to get the notification. This is the mongoose file, and this is my Google authentication file. This is passport.local strategy file, like the local strategy which I have done, which contain the serialization, authentication, and all those things. Now we will go to the our controllers, and in a controller I have two controllers. One is to get the home page, which is like the first page when we just open our website. It is the first page we can see, and this is the user controller. This user controller contains all the controller files. One is the profile section, the second is the how to we can change the password. See, this is the hash password, and we de-encrypt that password, then we have changed that password and re-encrypt that password to save it. And this is the sign up authentication, sign in. This is to create a new user, to sign in data, and to destroy session, to session and all these things. Now these are my models, which is like the user schema. What are the things we need to we are required for the database? The name, email, password, and the about. Now we will go to the routes. In routes, I have two routes. One is index.js, like to to make this user interface and to get it well from the users to index and then to the main index. I have done that. So from here we can get the home controller and create session, and from user.js we can, it has all the routes like for sign in, sign up, profile, create, authentication, Google Auth, everything. And this is my all my EGS files, like the change password. This is for change password. This is the home file to show the home page, and this is the layout. Layout is the main thing, like we used what we have done in EGS. The first thing contains the body. Like if we want to add any header or footer, we can write the header at the top and the footer, and the body part will keep on changing. So this is my layout page. This is user profile, and this is the sign in form. This is the sign up form, and this is my main file, the index file, from where I have all the details and all the routes, and from where the ports are listening and everything is in this only. And this is app.use. This is to use the session and store the session in the Mongo store. So I have done that. This is all my index.js files. I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.